Yo guys, welcome back to the Enterprise YouTube channel. Another day on the Ridstar. Let's get right into the video. Let's go. What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gents. We got another one. We're gonna be riding around a bit, giving some updates on the Ridstar, and we're out here with the one and only Wesley, #Northeast, on his one wheel. He's got it all blacked out with the fenders and the rail guards now. They're all black. So what's up, Northeast? We're ready to book it right now. Go. Oh! But yeah, we're gonna be riding around, heading towards the sunset, kind of out in the field. Get some clips as always. There's never a video without any clips being taken. But yeah. Whip around. Dropped a few videos recently. If y'all haven't checked them out, go check them out if you want any tutorials for anything. We got a video on AirTag in the controller seat, swapping the brakes so the rear brake is now on the left, can wheelie better. And then also there's a seat cover one, there's a full twist throttle one, go check that out. And I'm putting one out on the front. It's like the front guard slash fender thing below the battery tray. You can find all the mods on the bike in the description and in the bio. There's a link, and it takes you to a link tree and it has everything listed out. So if you want to see any of the mods I got, go check them out on the link tree link. Oh, it's a little windy. We're a little limited on speed. Wes in his one wheel can only go a whopping 20 miles an hour. Unfortunately. But it's alright because he's basically floating. He's deciding if he should do a red and black build or a full blacked out build. Let us know in the comments. If we should be matching electric Mavic right here in the Ridstar, or should he just do a black on black? We gotta decide. Let us know down below. But he got new side fenders, which are all black, and a fender. How much was the fender? $175 for the fender, which goes over the wheel. And how much were the side rails? $35 for the side rails. Alright, not too shabby. I think you glued those on. We're gonna rip through the neighborhoods a little bit since it's kind of busy right now on the roads. Cold, man. What the hell? Let me know, y'all, if we should do a 1,000 mile review on the Ridstar, which I am at 935 right now. So we're getting close. Or if I should do maybe a 1,500 mile review, or hell, even 2,000. Then y'all really get a nice raw opinion of mine for having the Ridstar for a hot minute. Let me know what y'all want. And really just generally video ideas for the Ridstar and some other content. Hopefully my buddy Asher is the other owner of this channel. He'll be getting an electric dirt bike soon. Let's hope, fingers crossed, right? And then we'll really be pushing out content. West is so clean on that thing. It's the GT, so I think he's got about 25 miles of range. Alright, so I'm thinking about getting new bars, new screen of course. It's that little LCD screen. If y'all didn't see my post, it's the little one that will go like right here. I may have to get a new full twist throttle because I think I stripped the screw when I was installing it. But we'll see if I get new bars. Maybe pro tapers, I don't know yet. Y'all let me know if I should or not. I did a short on what mods y'all think I should add to the Ridstar, and I got a lot of good reactions and responses to that, so that's good. But anyway, with this phone holder, I'm gonna get a kit, and you take the wire out of the controller that basically goes to this phone holder, and then you can get. Good God, what happened, bro? Huh?
Don't want to ride it.
What are they, 2 years old?
The government gets a lot of love.
It does. So I'm gonna get a kit that basically plugs into the controller and replaces the phone holder wire. And I'll probably just do blinkers on the rear. It probably will look pretty bad if I have it on the front too. But the kit comes with two. I'll put the link down in the description. Y'all can check it out in case y'all want to do that at all. And then also, if I were to get new handlebars, I would have to get new grips too, since these are already on there. You can't really take them off. But that's alright, it'll make the bike look 100% better, I think. Let me know. And then the second thing I had on that post was a 52 volt battery. It's that strap on. Most people wanted me to add it. But it's also like, it's gonna make the bike look ugly as hell. I'll get double the range and the power of a 52 volt battery, which will be nice. But I don't even know how the straps will work when I fit it under there. I'll leave the link down so y'all can check it out too. But yeah, that's kind of the upgrades I want to get future. Go right here, yeah. Let me know what y'all think. And then I want to take the Shimano shifter off and the derailleur off. I'm probably going to undo all these wire covers. I don't want to take that off and the derailleur in the back and put on a new red chain. I found one on Amazon and it works for multi-speed too. But I don't really need multi-speed because I won't have the shifter. I think that'll look pretty sick back there. And it'll take away handlebar space up here, which always looks clean when there's not as much stuff. And then that loud and noisy derailleur in the back that goes wild every time you hit a bump. So with that, that's kind of like my future upgrades on one this summer. And yeah. So if y'all have any other ideas for the Ridstar 2 that you want to put in the comments, I'm pretty interactive when it comes to comments. I like responding and reading them. So just let me all know. As always, go check out all the channels listed down there. Generally, it's the other Ridstar content creators that I put down in the description, so always check them out. You got Bergbound, which is, I do a lot of videos and stuff with him. I think he's got like 4K subs. He's going crazy on it. You got Ridstar Revolution as always. He's a big inspiration. The one and only Ridstar Gunna. Check him out. You got D1 Ridstar. My man was at about 700 or 800 subscribers and YouTube's dumbasses, they banned him because of child endangerment because he can wheelie, which is absolutely ridiculous. I'm kind of afraid of that too, and I know some other people are getting strikes just because they show their wheelies. It's like, come on, bro, that's like skill. And then he got banned for it, and now he's back. I think he's at 70 subscribers. So y'all really got to go check him out. He's one of the best Ridstar wheelers I've ever seen, if that's a word. And then check out everyone else that's in there as well. Oh, nice paved path. One wheel time. Hey, we should get cliffs on here. It's like black on black on black. We'll get some cliffs down here. As always. We were at Steak and Shake earlier, we rode there, so I'm a little bit low on battery, but not that low. Just waiting for the sun to set. deal. Wesley coming in on the Ridstar.
That's scary than a one wheel, bro. All lean, it's nothing.
You ready?
Dude, I'm kind of worried about my one wheel's battery.
Why? You think it's gonna die?
I haven't been in a while, but.
All right, let's go this way. You want? All right. We're going back to Wesley's house. We're gonna pick up his drone, see if we can get any good shots. And yeah, we're gonna check things out. Sun's coming down, cruising. But yeah, hopefully once my buddy, the other owner of the channel, Asher, gets his electric dirt bike, we'll be filming all the time in the summer. And we'll be adding some new things. Just stay tuned, trust. It'll be a fun time. As always, subscribe. The goal is to get to 1,500 subscribers by the end of May. Let's see if we can make it happen. Let's go! Yes, sir. This is where we had that one crazy one where it's got like whatever. How many views is it? Like 100,000 or something?
Oh.
I did like the flyby right here.
Oh yeah, I do remember that.
And then I filmed the weird clicks and battery thing.
What's all the leaves?
Right back in there.
Like crazy. Oh yeah, right there.
Oh God. This one, oh! Gotta leave the bumps. Sorry about that, y'all. Sorry. Back on the road again. Oh, yikes.
What happened?
Oh, we got traffic. All right, let's roll. On the road again. With the Ridstar and the one wheel on the road again. School needs to be over with. I think I'm also gonna try out some red rim tape to go on the wheels. I thought you were going straight. We're all chill. But that red, well, really it's just rim tape, but you can get it in different colors to go around the rims of the wheels. I think I suggested that in the short where I asked for recommendations for future mods. I think that's a good idea. But really with that battery, man, it's gonna be ugly. Just because it's strapped under there, kind of like right below the seat, right in front of the suspension, rear suspension. Hopefully I'll be able to strap it in there if I end up getting it. But I really want a 52 volt and then also more range. And the Ridstar batteries, I mean, I can get that 52 volt is $280 and a brand new Ridstar battery off their website's like $350. And they make their battery trays where you slide the battery onto really unique. So if you find it, there's no other battery that works on the tray like that. So it's unfortunate. And there's no room to put another battery in a whole bracket on it, so. Alright, I'll see you in a sec. I'm gonna rip around here. Alright. Alright, the drone idea was a miss. But it's alright. We're gonna go back and catch a beautiful sunset we had going on right in front of us. Yo!
Yeah, I'm at 30%. What the hell is wrong with this?
What?
I don't understand. I was at 44%. I'm not doing this 90%.
It's alright. Well, yeah, we're just gonna go get some clips by the sun. And we're gonna hit the drone up another time. I wanna get some cool shots in there. Maybe from above, film an intro for the YouTube channel maybe. It's too cold, man.
Yeah, it's a little chilly.
Sorry. Damn!
That dog is gonna kill someone. Dude,
If that dog gets out of his leash, bro, we're fucked.
we're dead. Dude,
It's
how
over.
fast do you think that dog could run? Like 50 miles
I think
an
we're
hour?
probably like faster than the Ridstar, dude. Holy crap.
Dude,
It sounded like
you will escape because he's gonna.
Damn, that thing was scary.
That bark was like.
Furious.
Like, oh man. Dude, that guy was about to escape from that guy. Like I couldn't hold him.
Hey, by the way, if y'all got any tips for wheeling, leave them down in the comments, man. Look, I can drag my feet wheelie, and I can kind of get it up, just on my feet, just kind of up, hovering over the air, and use the rear brake now. But my balance must be just complete crap. Or really, I just need practice. I don't have a whole lot of time. Probably need a little bit of both. But yeah, if you got any tips, please let me know down in the comments. Any help would be greatly appreciated.
I might be able to charge my one wheel. Although it doesn't
Do you have
matter.
your charger?
It's gonna go right home. Yeah, dude.
You can charge it over here. Oh, but he whips it to be grass up. We just got some beautiful clips of the sun now setting. Here's some right here. And now we headed home. And as always, guys, you know the drill. If you ain't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and join the crew. Check the description for other channels and the mods page. You can find all the mods in there. And as always, thank you for watching. Peace!